hear the sound of time, stories weaving words that climb, whispered tales in a cozy nook. Welcome to the magic of every book. Bookshelf Babble, take the stage, turn the chapter, fill the page. Laughter, wisdom, stories to spare, a podcast world where books are everywhere. From paperbacks to leather spines, mysteries, thrillers, and classic lines. Stories crackle, voices ring, dive on in, it's a podcast thing. Adventures waiting just one word away, from Austen's romance to Hemingway. Gather round, it's the bookish delight, unfold the tales under podcast light.
Hey, hello, you're welcome in Bookshelf Babble live session. Here we talk about books and all related topic. If you like it, just join me here and we will talk about book. And or can tell about any other topic what you interested. And just remind, if you watch this session on Twitch or another platform, don't hesitate, write the comments and feel free to ask me any question what you want. Yeah, okay, and we're ready to start. Let's go to Hello Talk. If you're not familiar with this platform, Hello Talk, it's a platform where people around the world learn languages. I like it because it's very simple. You can create the voice room. Okay, it's some interesting, and just check one moment. Okay, I see some problems. Okay, just a second, I will try to fix it. Yeah, cool. Yeah, okay, just a second, I will back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I just wipe some unnecessary file on my computer because I think I have some problems with correctly display Hello Talk and another application and screens here. Okay, I think now I'm ready. Just let's go and start voice room. My voice room has name What Book Are You Reading? And let's go. Just do this. Okay, I see. Now it should be work because I clean up a lot of space, and now should be all work as expected. Okay, and yep, I think it should be okay now. Okay, we just wait when someone join to us. I spent some time just for like to clean up space, and I plan to be here around just some several minutes, maybe 10 or more, because I'm late. And I'm not sure someone joined to us today, but we wait. Maybe someone join. If you don't want me, and current moment I don't have any progress on the reading because just focusing on my work, some after work duty when I participate football and handball training and all another stuff related for this. After when I'm back, I have some like to coding tasks, some like to speaking tasks like this, like to eat. If you have time and energy, I like to run and do all another stuff related for this. Yeah, end result. Maybe I have some times in the bed when I go to bed, but most of the time I just check some time last time some newses and go to sleep. Yeah, as a result I didn't have a lot of time for reading in current moment. Okay, we wait. Okay, maybe I share with you some small statistic about Bookshelf Babble podcast, just some serial listening. It's a very, very small amount. Yeah, and I just started another podcast that has name Still on Dev Weekly, where I talk about developer life in Stockholm, and I will just check Yeah, we have 2 listenings. Yeah, but before we have 0. Yeah, some very small progress. It just like to show one some small thing. If you produce some kind of podcast or some content, if you don't do nothing for just, I don't know, advertise this content in some social media or another platform, it's not it cannot hit any like big result. Yeah, and if you have some expectation that release something, people find it, or some kind of algorithm show this episode for maybe another people per who listen to the same podcast, and they just like to find your episode and listen. I think it's some big misconception, especially in current time when like to internet content production and all stuff related for this, it's all very, I don't know, affordable and available. And as well, you should be do something good quality, share it, and like to push forward. Yeah, to make it, to bothering community, to make it more visible and all another stuff. If you want to reach some goals, not so big goals like 2,000 listenings, just more, I don't know, more build some most stable audience. Yeah, and I think it's related for all content what you like to produce. It's very important to build a community or audience around some kind of channels, podcasts, and all another stuff. For example, I can show you, not show here, just start film and recorded football matches of my son, and publish on YouTube, share this on like to parent chat, boys, it's all one like to watch this video and share with friends. In result of this, after 2 weeks, my like to most watch my most popular video, it was the match and hit around like 120 views. In other words, it's possible because you have like an organic group of people who are interested. It's boys, parents, and all relatives. They like to watch online. They like to this streaming. In the result of this, you have like natural amount of views. Yeah, I think about these 2 podcasts what I made. Yeah, it's very important to build some kind of community around this and make more attractable, but in the same time I think I should be improve the quality of content, make it more interesting, especially for another people, and I think I should be do this content. It's in case if I am listening in this podcast, it will be interesting for myself. If you eat what if not, what elements I should be just added or change it to reach this, to make it more, I don't know, more interesting to another. Yeah, I just thinking about this. Okay. Okay, I think it's no one joined today here. Okay, but it's not problem. It's just like a regular session here, and one of the reason why I started this session every day is just like to practice for streaming, for like to make video and to keep conversation going and focus on all like to stuff related to switch between screens. I was bothered by some problems when stand like to freeze, and every time I should be just switch from one to another to be able like to correctly display some screen what I want to share. I solved this problem. Why? Because I do this every day, and every day is bothering me, and I just decided, okay, I should be fix it. And yeah, it's some kind of practice. I not expected this stream will watch a lot of people. It's just for practice, but it's for talk if you someone join to me. Okay, I should be wrap up for today. No one joined here. Okay, I slide this out, but I think it's not problem, especially at least for me it's not problem. I just leave hello talk. Yeah, I leave hello talk. What is like result and some short review. I just still thinking about podcast because I want to make this kind of content more interesting, available for another people, especially for target group. What I like to focus it. Yeah, I think it, and I see some ways how I can improve it. On this, thank you for your time. Take care and see you next time in Bookshelf Babble live session here on Twitch or on YouTube where you watch this stream. Okay, bye.
Flip the pages, hear the sound of time. Stories weaving words that climb. Whispered